A new twist has come in the death of Sushant Singh Rajput case after Narcotics Control Bureau in Delhi registered a case under sections of NDPS Act. Remember, there were several chats were recovered by Enforcement Directorate. Remember, Enforcement Directorate had registered a case of money laundering and they were investigating the whole matter. But during the time of investigation, they accessed the chat, that were deleted chat, which is claimed by ED from the mobile phone of Reha Chakravarti. They found out that there were several conversations that were related to the drugs, that is banned drugs, and these drugs are MDMA and CDS oil, and these are banned drugs completely in India. And Reha Chakravarti was buying these drugs, and it also, the chats also suggested that she not only consumed but also gave these drugs to Sushant Singh Rajput as well. Apart from that, the agencies also believe that this is the big cartel, and that nexus they have to break. That is why the case has been given to Narcotics Control Bureau, which is the premier agencies of the narcotics related matter, and that's why Narcotics Control Bureau. Here is the headquarters of NCB. From here, there is a team of 3 officers will be going to Mumbai on Friday, and they will look after the matter. They will look into it completely. They will also summon the people with whom Reha Chakravarti talked in the mobile phone. The chat which are suggesting that there are multiple people that include her manager, and she demanded and she asked them to provide these drugs. That is what the chats are suggesting, and this is being claimed by the agencies. Remember that the case has become very much interesting because 3 different agencies are now working on it. First was the CBI, the second ED, and now this is the NCB. This is a new agency that is now roped him into this whole investigation. It will take time, definitely, but there are 2 things that now the NCB will try to, will try to work out. That the first is whether Reha Chakravarti was buying these drugs for herself or for Sushant Singh Rajput, and also is there any big nexus working in the Bollywood industry which provide these drugs to these people, to these Bollywood people, because there are multiple persons with whom Reha was in touch with, and she was asking for these drugs. So this is what the case is. But definitely the case has become very much interesting. Now the NCB team has already been planned that how they have to go, how they have to work. Remember, there was chats that when the ED recovered these chats, these are the deleted chats, they shared these chats to NCB, and NCB, after rounds of meetings and after rounds of consultation with the legal team, they found out that there is a case that should be registered, and that's why they registered the case under sections of 20, 22, 27 and 29 of the NDPS Act. So now it is going to be bigger into it, because the team will go there and they will they may be summoning Reha Chakravarti and other persons with whom Reha was in touch with.